guys, Mike here with Going Places. I wanted to give a review today on the Maxxair II Vent cover. We have a Maxxair fan installed in the kitchen area of our RV. I was just gonna do a real quick review on this, showing it and showing how to install it. It's actually, if you have the right um, clips on your fan, it's really easy and toolless. Some people don't have the clips, some do. I'll show you that in a minute. But I was going to go ahead and just give a really quick review basically on it and show you how to install it. I actually bought two of these, one over the fan in our kitchen and the one also in our bathroom, which isn't a Maxxair, but it'll still work on it. It still has the same base and everything to it with the little clips. So I'll show you that in a second. So before I get started, here's a quick look at the actual cover. Inside of the box, see Maxxair on the side. It comes with instructions, and also taped to the back side of it is clips and brackets and some screws. In case you don't have the clip style, you can still mount this. As you can see on the side here, you have the little clips. Once you get up there, I'll show you how it works, but it's fairly simple. So let me get on the roof, get all this up there, all the gear, and I'll get back with you soon. All right, guys. This is the one that's above our bathroom. It did not come with the little plastic clips like the one in the kitchen does. So we're having to add these, the metal clips to it. I'm gonna show you how you do it. Basically, I already added this one. So once you set this on where you need it, you line up your clip. I already got this one lined up, and I already got it screwed in. But I'll show you in the second one. Basically, you're going to put it up under here, and then get this down like so. All right, and then I know that's where I'll need my clip. All right, and then you can remove this. That's where it's going to go. Push it up against it. I'll mark a center point. All right, then I know that's where I did the same thing here. Mark center, and then you drill your holes out here, and then run your two screws in there. Once you do that, then you're able to come back, put this over, and then run your pins through here and here, and then you're secure. If you want, which I don't know if I'm going to or not, you can put you some sealant over these screws. But with the cap being on, you don't really have a lot of possibility that water's going to get into there. But just for safety, you might want to go ahead and do it anyway. So let me go ahead and do this one, and then I'll get back with you shortly. All right, guys. So got the second clip on. Again, mark your center points. Pretty easy. Basically, once you find that first one, once you find that first center, and you screw this one down, and then you line this one up, mark your center, pull it off, drill it. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Pretty easy. Like I said again, you might want to seal over these. I'm not sure if water would actually get in there once this is on, but you never know. Just extra security. All right, so now all we have to do is put it on, and run the clips through, and it's a done deal. Also, I wanted to let you know the reason why I chose black. As you can see, that my ACs are white, and the rest of my stuff up here, is white except for the one over there in the kitchen. The reason why I chose black is because of the fact that the white ones don't stand up well to the UV of the sun, and they would crack. So I chose the black. Black looks good. I mean, it's fine. It does its purpose. I'm not don't really care if it's white or black. As far as color wise, but I do care that they get the black one because of the UV issues. So give me a second. I'll put the clips on this one right here. This is the vent fan that's over our kitchen. When I first got the unit, I went ahead and all the self-leveling was cracked. So I went ahead, and instead of scraping it off and putting new stuff on it, I went ahead and tried some of the tape, which I've heard good and bad reviews on. I decided to go ahead and give it a try, and I put it over the self-leveling, and so far so good. But what I did was self-leveled the clips, because the clips had a hole in it, and I was thinking, oh, water's gonna get down in there. Not realizing that no, it doesn't do that. So now I got to dig out the self-leveling real quick before I show y'all how this thing goes. And basically, I mean, it's gonna be fairly quick install. But let me do this real quick, and then I'll get right back to you. All right, guys. So the little bag, I opened it up. This is what's in it. Has 4 of these little clips, some screws, bolts, and these lock. God, I can't think of the name of them. Anyway, these locking clips. So basically, as you can see, this is going to fit over this, and you face it forward. All right, forward. Front of my RV is that way, so you face it forward. These go over these little clips, just like this, right there. All right. So once that's over it, you're gonna take one of these. Basically, I'm gonna have to readjust. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. All right. So basically, it's gonna go in here, slide through here, slide through the clip, through here, and over, like so. And there you go. It's locked. It's in there. Like that. Okay. So also do this one, this side. There you go. Just like that. Simple, easy, peasy. And do the other side just like it, and it's on there. It's in. It's not gonna blow off, go anywhere. It's on there. So if you have these little clips, that's how easy it is to put these things on. Just as easy to take them off and clean it. But anyway, that's it. Just wanted to give you a little quick review on these things. So as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and hit the little bell for notifications of future videos that may come out. And have a good day. Thanks. Bye.